Hello everyone. Welcome to the Hindu editorial reading and summary series presenting by Diction Addiction. Today's Hindu editorial Growth with Inequality on Economic Survey 2021. First, we will learn the vocabulary related to the today's Hindu editorial that will help us to understand the article in more meaningful way. The first one is steering, means directing, steering, directing, treacherous, means disloyal or deceptive, shoals, large group or river or sea connecting point, that's a shoals. Unfathomable, unfathomable means vast or not comprehensible or not understandable. Assert means declare or confirm. Deleterious, harmful or toxic. Bruising, stain or mark after injury. Once you have a injury, after recovering, you will have some stain of injury. That is what is a bruising. Wholly means solely or exclusively, completely. Contention means argument or dispute. Contention. Seminal means influential or formative, very important. Off key means tuneless or out of the tone. Flight, difficulty or trouble. Forecast means predicting or guess. Posts, posits, suggest or postulate or theory, hypothesis. Prognosis, likely outcome or course of disease, prognosis. Predicated, based or built. Battered is trouble, difficulties, or injured or maltreated. Hastily, quickly, hurriedly, swiftly. Contending, opposing or competing. Exacerbated, aggravated or intensified. Else, what else you say, right? Generally, different or other. Now under loudspeaker, we'll read the article. Growth with inequality on Economic Survey 2021. The Economic Survey for 2020-21 is an expansive attempt at reviewing the developments in the Indian economy during the current financial year and providing an outlook for its near-term prospects. Spread over 700 pages, the survey opts for self-congratulatory tone with highlighting the policy achievements of the government in steering the economy through the treacherous shoals of the most unfathomable global health emergency experienced in modern history. Citing an approach that used graded public health measures to transform the short-term trade-off between lives and livelihoods into a win-win that would save both lives and livelihoods over the long term. The survey asserts that India established a globally unique model of strategic policymaking in containing the COVID-19 pandemic while helping the economy recover quickly from its deleterious impact. There is no denying that the country appears to have not only flattened the curve but also, crucially, so far avoided a bruising second wave of infection seen in much of Europe and the US. While it may be debatable as to how much of the turn in the pandemic progress could be attributed wholly to proactive policy measures. The survey's contention that India has turned the crisis into an opportunity to strengthen its long-term growth potential through these seminal reforms sounds off key, especially given the ongoing farmers' hesitation against the new farm laws as well as the flight of the struggling small and medium scale industries and informal sectors. The survey goes on to forecast that economy is currently experiencing V-shaped recovery that would enable GDP to expand even by conservative estimate by 11% in real terms in 2021 and 22. Still, to achieve the to to achieve that level of real growth, retail inflation must moderate substantially to average 4.4% or less over the 12-month period through the March 2022. Given that the survey has projected nominal growth at 15.4%. Also, while batting for physical push to support the reviving economy, it possessed an upside to growth prognosis predicated on, among other factors, a rapid rollout of COVID 19 vaccines and recovery in demand in the battle service sector. However, the document fails in providing an honest assessment of on-ground economy situation by overlooking key aspects, including the extent of unemployment, even as it hints at the level of rural joblessness, which followed the return of millions of urban casual workers in the wake of last year hastily implemented lockdown. This it does by taking credit for record 311.2 crore persons days of work generated over the last 10 months under MGN REGA, and in contending that the growth should be prioritized over inequality in tackling poverty. When the pandemic has exacerbated the gap between the rich and poor, and the finance ministry is set to present our budget. The survey seems to privilege wealth creation over all else. This is what is the reading of article. And coming to the nutshell, I'm not an expert in this one, but I'll say the government is saying that the recovery is V-shaped. V-shaped. V-shaped means what? In the problems are only short duration. V is like this, right? So it comes down and quickly it will settle there and immediately jump. So that's what is the survey says. But I don't think so that is real. Because if you look into the school systems, education system, the teachers who are working in the private as well as unaided education, they lost their jobs and they're working in an unorganized sector. And they'll come back to the school system. I don't think so that will be done. And also, as rightly mentioned in the article, that millions of the people have moved from urban to rural in lockdown times. They lost their jobs. So that did not consider. And this is what is I feel that these 2 points should have considered livelihood of the joblessness should have been considered. So, and most importantly, uh, the pandemic really not shown its reality in India. That's how saved the face of government, where US as well as the Europe are battling with the COVID, because first wave and followed by the second wave and new strains and so on. So here government is lucky enough to avoid this first and second wave as well as the new strains. So somehow it is saving its face. But government can do lot than the what they are promised. And if they whatever they promise they can deliver, that would be create kind of belief on the system, and they'll go through the hurdles very smoothly. This is all from the today's uh, editorial. And if at all you like it, just give thumbs up. For regular updates, just subscribe. Thank you all.